Hello everyone, welcome to my channel www.youtube.com/bestpurchasepro814. Today we are here with the topic of 10 best essential manicure and pedicure tools with buying guides and reviews. Taking care of your nail is essential for personal grooming and hygienic. The basic manicure and pedicure tools can make all the difference in achieving salon quality result at home. Manicure and pedicure promote healthy, well-groomed nails. Using the proper essential manicure and pedicure tools ensure your nails remain strong and aesthetically pleasing. Here is a list of the top 10 best essential manicure and pedicure tools, each with a brief description to help you choose the perfect gift for your needs. Before moving on the top 10 list, subscribe my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/bestpurchasepro814. Don't forget to like the video, share this to your friends. Number 1. Mutual Professional Manicure and Pedicure Set Kit Upgraded Electric Nail Drill Machine. Features versatile attachment for various nails care for needs. The bright light enhances visibility, allowing you to see intricate detail and achieve precise results. Portable and rechargeable for on-the-go use. Offer the tools and features necessary to achieve beautiful nails quickly. Number 2. Fishing Touch Flagless Lawn Nail Kit Electronic Nail File and Full Manicure and Pedicure Tools. Features smooth nail effect efficiently, achieving a polished look effortlessly. Portable and easy to use, suitable for travel need. Include multiple attachments for versatile nail care options. Battery operated, eliminating the need for charging frequently. Durable construction for long term use. Number 3. Amazon Basics 6-piece manicure and pedicure kit. Features include everything needed for complete nail care routine. It's lightweight, natural, make it easy to carry in a handbag. This kit caters to diverse nail care needs, for thick nails to delicate cuticles. Tools are durable and made for quality stainless steel material, affordable price. Number 4. Barrier MP62 Professional Nail Drill Kit Portable Electric File Machine with 10 attachments and 10 sanding bands. Features strong motor ensuring efficient performance, LED light for enhanced visibility. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling during use. Offers flexibility to cater to various nail type of preferences. The ergonomic design contribute to an enjoyable grooming experience. Number 5. Revlon Manicure Essential Kit with Travel Case Manicure Set for Nail Care with Dual Ended Cuticle Trimmer. Features: each tool is precise and durable, making it suitable for effortlessly trimming, shaping, and maintaining nails and cuticles. Provide excellent value for money. Compact case for easy storage and travel convenience. Treating yourself to a relaxing spa day at home. Number 6. 26 pieces manicure set professional pedicure kit stainless steel nail clipper for women pedicure care tools with features include a comprehensive set of manicure and pedicure tools. Tools are made for durable stainless steel for longevity, portable and compact case for convenience, storage and travel, fit for use in usage in both home and professional salon environment, hygienic and easy to clean. Number 7. Nail Kit Travel Essential Manicure Kit Nail Clipper for Men Nail Clipper Set Men Grooming Kit. Features providing all the necessary tools for manicure and pedicures. High quality stainless steel tools ensure durability and long term use. Help shape nails, remove cuticles and smooth rough edges. Come with detailed instruction for beginners to use effectively, hygienic and cleanliness. Number 8. Tweezerman exclusive Rosti Essential Pedicure Kit 4-piece set. Features provide long-lasting performance and ease of use. Moisturizing cream and softening soap in this kit provide a spa-like experience. Kit is crafted with high quality material and ergonomic design. Kit covers our aspect of nail care from filling and buffering to trimming and moisturizing. Number 9, Revlon manicure set, cuticle trimmer, nail clipper, nail file and nail buffer, nail care tool, smooth and shapes, easy to use 4-piece set. Features crafting from high quality material, they ensure longevity and reliability, ensure a comfortable and efficient manicure and pedicure experience, offer affordability without compromising on quality. These tools are designed ergonomically for comfortable handling. Number 10, manicure set for women, nail care kit for Christmas and birthday, stocking sofas for mom, wife, and young girls. Feature durability and dependable long-term use without rusting and dulling. Reduce a strain on your hand and fingers. Offer a blend of precision, durability, versatility, ease of use, hygienic, and portability. They include ergonomic design for comfortable handling during groomings. Now we are going to share some customers' feedbacks and reviews. You can see screenshots on the screen which are helpful for you to choose a good one according to your needs and requirements. Thanks for watching. Join us on our official website www.bestpurchasepro.com/essential manicure and pedicure tools slash. Join us on other social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube. Subscribe www.youtube.com/bestpurchasepro814. Thanks for watching.